If you want to disable ads on the Xiaomi 17, let me show you what you need to do. First of all, we're gonna start with apps that are pre-installed on the Xiaomi 17, because many Xiaomi apps that we have pre-installed contain ads, and of course the best practice would be to simply avoid using those apps. We are not really forced to use them. If you want to, you can use other alternatives. Many Google apps also, of course, have a couple of different features that we can use on our Xiaomi 17 that would replace these standard Xiaomi apps that we have in here, or generally speaking, third-party apps are probably better in many cases. Like for example, the file manager over here, it is definitely better to just use the Files app by Google, which is also a file manager. And of course, Files app by Google does not include ads, whereas the file manager, well, it is, I guess, possible to find ads here and there, although I think I didn't actually see in this specific case this app having ads, at least not yet. So what you can do, if you have the App Vault app on your Xiaomi 17, you want to open it and then look for three dots, which are usually located in the upper right corner. Then over there you should be able to choose Manage Services, and you should be able to find settings related to promotions, related to ads, for example. Generally speaking, something that would allow the app to display ads or send ads through notifications. So you want to make sure that these options are deactivated over there in those settings. In my case, I do not have the App Vault, but I know that in some cases you might actually find the app on your phone. So if you have it, just follow these steps that I just mentioned. And the second app that I want to say that we should check is, of course, this Downloads app. Over here you want to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and proceed to Settings, and over here you want to deactivate recommended content. This is pretty much the pattern in these apps that we have to visit. We have to check settings and see if there's like a recommended content or something, so we need to deactivate it. The next app that we want to go to, let me actually scroll down in order to make sure that we don't miss it. There we go, we're gonna go to the MI browser, which is the Xiaomi browser. In my case, I'm gonna actually update it just to make sure that I'm using the latest version. So of course, do the same thing if you want to use the Xiaomi browser. In this case, I would actually recommend to switch to another browser. I guess this is the simplest solution. Like, you can use, let's say, a Chrome browser if you're looking for something simple and most popular. And of course, there are many other different browsers that are definitely better to use, more pleasing to use than this one over here. So let me wait for the browser to be updated. Alright, so in here we're gonna tap on this person icon that we have in the bottom right corner, and we're gonna proceed to Settings. Now over here in Settings we need to proceed to Advanced, and then in here we have Show Ads, which we can deactivate quite easily. Alright, now let's move on to the next app, which is going to be the Music app over here. So if you have the Music app running, we should be able to tap here in the upper left corner on these two sliders here in this place. I actually selected something by accident. There we go. And we want to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings you want to disable permanent notifications. Also, if we go to Advanced Settings and scroll down, we can deactivate ads and personalized recommendations. If you really want to stop using this app, you can just withdraw the consent, and then the app is going to be completely deactivated, so you won't have to worry about it, which is something that I actually recommend you to do if you don't mind not using this app. There we go. Now, besides that, we're gonna go to the Security app. Over here, tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner, and then in here we want to disable recommendations. Afterwards, you want to proceed to the Cleaner settings, and you want to do exactly the same thing. Afterwards, we're gonna go to the Themes app. In here, you want to tap on your account in the bottom right corner, and then Settings in the upper right corner. In here, we have these two options which we want to deactivate: Show Ads and Personalized Recommendations. Alright, so I believe that is all in terms of apps that we have available on Xiaomi 17 that are pre-installed, that for which we can deactivate ads. And unfortunately, there might be some exceptions where ads are still going to be displayed, but there is no setting that would allow us to deactivate these ads. Now, besides that, another thing that I can recommend you to do is go to Settings. Over here, we're gonna open notification settings, and then you choose app notifications. And what you want to do is you want to deactivate notifications for most of the pre-installed Xiaomi apps that we have on this phone. So in my case, I'm going to deactivate themes. Let's scroll down. I can also deactivate file manager notifications as well. I don't think I need them. I would probably deactivate gallery notifications as well, but for now I'm gonna keep it. I'm just mentioning that you might want to disable it, especially if you get notifications from these apps. So if at some point these apps send you some annoying ads or recommendations, just notifications about some content, etc., of course you want to go to these settings over here and you want to just completely deactivate these notifications. I'm gonna also deactivate my browser and music over here. Security cannot be deactivated, but that seems to be pretty much it. And the last thing that you want to do is in settings, you want to proceed to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then over here we have authorization and revocation. You want to deactivate two things over here, the MSA and system daemon. You want to turn it off over here, just tap on the switcher, wait for 10 seconds, and then confirm that you want to revoke the authorization. So let's wait and tap over here. There we go. And like I said, you want to do exactly the same thing with the system daemon. This is supposedly going to help you with preventing ads from being displayed on your phone, on the Xiaomi 17. I mean ads within those Xiaomi apps, of course. So that is pretty much it. And if you're looking for more guides for Xiaomi 17, then be sure to check out my channel, leave a like and subscribe.